This is going to be a fun video because it is on face sprays. Glass skin, glowy skin, dewy skin, protection, makeup setting, everything in one. Fresh Beauty, Milk Makeup, and Peach and Lily. I feel that all three of them share a lot of the same marketing terms, the words to pull you in and get you all excited. However, in my opinion, and just from testing them out, they all act differently. When I first start off with Milk Makeup, this is their Hydro Grip and Refresh Spray. The liquid itself is a dual phase product, so you have the blue and you have the green. So when you want to use it, you need to shake it up to activate it. So it has the blue liquid, which is what they're stating is the blue algae, and it has the hyaluronic acid, it has the vitamins in it. So think of it as the blue liquid is the skin care. Green liquid here, so usually sitting here on top, that is the actual grip. So think of it as the grip primer, but in a liquid format. In reference to the actual spray nozzle, this isn't going to be something that's a continuous mist type spray. This is just a standard old press it down and and go. So I don't think it's going to show too much on camera. You might be able to hear it better if I go down on the microphone like that. No scent. That's another thing too, in case you are sensitive to fragrance. And even though I shook it up, see, the liquid just kind of goes right back to green and blue fairly fast. So it's not a spray that is going to spray all these big globs. You're not going to have a lot here and a little bit here. It is quite even in its spray. It disperses, but it's not that continuous mist. I don't have an issue with that, but some people are picky, which is a good thing. You want what you like what you like. The star in this product is the actual grip concept of it, how it holds the makeup in place an extended period of time. This is an excellent alternative to, let's say, the Grip Original Primer was just too sticky. You didn't like the texture. You didn't like that you had to wait for it to get a little bit tacky on the skin. I feel that the brand did a great job at just executing a new way to where, I think this is probably one of their top sellers in the collection. Whether that was their intention, that is my experience with it, and I do like it, and I will continue to purchase this. What happened to my sisters? Press any button except for the power button. Making me have to get the hell up. Ooh, let the black flame handle. And we are on to Fresh Beauty, the Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. So this is actually in a different packaging than the one before. This is in spray can. And this was actually sent to me from Fresh Beauty. I had no idea this even existed in their product lineup. So it states that it is a glow water, skin nutrition face mist. No mention in the my notes here as far as the spray giving you that glass skin appearance. It states a multivitamin face mist delivers the antioxidants for a dewy skin. So you have the vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B5. So it protects against the free radicals, and it's giving you that skin nutrition is what it states. This can has that slow mist. That's, that sound? That's what this mist kind of comes out going. See? It's like that. It reminds me of the Morphe continuous mist. I would say the scent for this spray is very, very faint, very low citrus scent. It's very faint. This is how I see this spray as far as who it would be best suited for. If you're someone that in your skincare routine, let's say in the morning, you're someone you don't want to do a lot of steps. Maybe you don't want to do a toner. Maybe you don't even want to do a serum. You just want to maybe, you wash your face, you want to put your sunscreen on, and you want to be done. This is where I'd recommend you stick this after you wash your face, because this can replace your toner. It can replace, I don't want to say replace, because I would tell you to use your serums. But if you're someone I don't want to deal with it, then use this, because it's giving you those vitamins, it's giving you that antioxidant protection before you put in your sunscreen, which is very important too. Also, I've mentioned this in other skin videos. Vitamin E helps vitamin C work. It's best. So the fact it has that in there, again, you're getting that extra protection. So if you're someone that you like to spray and then put your sunscreen on, that's fine. However, I feel that you're going to get the best benefits of this, which is what I do, is I spray it in my hands. Clean hands, just spray it. Just go close enough where it will actually just, pool into water, as if you're taking like your toner and going like this. Then I go like this and I press it into my skin. There you go. I say press it into your skin so that your skin can start to absorb it. Put it on and then put your sunscreen on. I do see the radiance that do level with this glow water. However, it is not so incredibly apparent on the skin, in which I would say, oh, this is really that glowy type of water texture. It is very much a skincare product. Peach and Lily Glass Skin Veil Mist. So hydrate and glow. This is a product where I can say all the adjectives they want to throw out in their marketing is warranted, because this spray is there. The Skin Veil is marketed as a non-toxic, silicone-free hydrating mist that delivers, here we go, instant glass skin look. They say instant. The spray mist on this bottle, it's marketed as the texture of like the fog when you spray it. I'm telling you, when you read the description, Peach and Lily is trying to give you that entire experience. So like, if you're gonna pay for this spray, we're gonna give you the experience. So it is a very ultra fine, slow motion sound of a mist. I mean, it's just, that's how I think of it, like in a commercial. No scent at all. The more you spray this on, I'm telling you, you can shoot up to the sky. And I saw it in my magnifying mirror. One of my videos, it could have just been the last video I did. In the info box, I put what I wore, the makeup, and I used this spray. When I looked in the mirror that day, I think I sprayed it maybe 2 times, I can't recall. But I noticed that when I was sitting down to film and I looked in the mirror, this T-zone was so like just brighter than I've seen it before. It had to have been because I noticed it, because normally I'm like, I'm fine, right? I want to look shiny, but I was like, this area here is out of control and I don't have extra highlighter there. It was this. So I took that rare thing where I took my little napkin here and was like, just a little dot right there. Because, I moved this area and it was like, bing, bing. That's when I said, the more you spray, the more it's shooting to the stars. The level of dew and radiance in this spray is there. So there you have it. This is the one that is truly going to give that glass skin, dewy, radiant glow. Very much reminds me of the Glow Recipe mist. But this mist is even glowier than the Glow Recipe watermelon mist. And I thought I was done when I started to use that mist. You want a true dew. This is the spray for you right here, the Peach and Lily. You want the skincare benefit spray. You want the antioxidant protection, like I mentioned, the Fresh Beauty. You want the one that is going to be keeping that makeup locked in place. You have the Milk Makeup. They may market themselves as very similar, using a lot of the same terms, but each one serves a different purpose. At least that's how I felt in my experience. So let me know your thoughts if you've tried them and you've had some similar experiences, but I hope I've given you enough information to see truly the differences with each and every face glow, or how they market it, glow spray. Thank you everyone for stopping by and watching. Please have a wonderful day or evening. Look after yourself. and look after one another. I will see you in the next video. Bye.